realm of riddles. In the year 1991, you are sleeping in tranquility in your room, when suddenly, a deformed monster with his head upside down crawls out of your closet. He seems agitated. He tells you,
"In a few decades will be the year 1700, but when I tell others that, they look at me like I'm crazy. Why do they not agree with my statement?"
Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. You know for a fact it is currently the year 1991, but the monster thinks it will soon be the year 1700. Since the monster's head is upside down, he must be reading the date upside down. Therefore, instead of reading the year as 1991, he reads it as 1661, which is a few decades from the year 1700. The monster realizes his mistake and crawls back into your closet.